Today, join me as I witness the Christmas tree lighting of SM Seaside City for Christmas 2020. And I've noticed they have a new contact tracing app, and which is really good. And oh, this is it, Christmas mornings in the Orient. There's no stopping for Christmas, guys. And I am so happy nakakita ko there are more sanitation team because probably there is an event. Mas daghan og sanitation team karon ang SM. See guys, SM is doing their part. Let us do our part also. For sharing, this is my first small event in the new normal and I am so happy looking at SM. They are really following the protocols and proper social distancing. I'm actually nagalig cards nga mag-remind to everyone nga magpalayo gyud sa usat-usa. I just realized how I really miss events. But you know what? I really miss more the people in the events. Now for SM Seaside City, Christmas is officially starting. SM Seaside City themed their Christmas now with Christmas mornings in the Orient. The Christmas tree stand tall at 45 feet with crane birds usually found in the region of northern Japan. The tree has a red and gold peony flowers embellishment usually found also in native Asia. So that's it guys, if ever you really want to feel Christmas and if ever you're in SM Seaside City Cebu, drop by in the Mountain Wind Atrium and have a photo of yourself with the SM Seaside City Christmas tree to spread the Christmas spirit and good vibes and positivity. Because with this guys, I believe mura magpang Miss Universe we can really have a Merry Christmas. And to feel the season more, visit Santa's Weekend Market located at the 3rd floor Mountain Wing in front of the Sky Hall. It will be starting on November 20 and it will be until December 27. And yes, of course guys, you can also visit SM City Cebu and SM City Consolacion and check also their Christmas trees. In the season of sharing, let us be reminded with those kids who would appreciate the gift of love. When one buys a pair of SM Christmas Bears of Joy for only 200 pesos, you get to own one bear and one bear will also be given to the beneficiary child. So yes guys, for 200 pesos, one bear goes to you and another bear will be given for donation. And cute kay ilahang bear kay nakamask yun and actually it gives honor also to the frontliners. Selling period is from November 4 to December 25. And the SM Seaside Christmas tree will be here up to January 6, 2021. So that's it guys, holiday season is really here. So now we really have to adapt with a new normal as we welcome Christmas 2020. Let us continue to protect ourselves in the same way protecting others. And of course, don't forget to brush your teeth after eating and to follow me in all my social media accounts. And let us continue to stay safe, stay healthy, and just keep smiling. Bye-bye!